I need to know who is actually playing who in this vicious game. Is Bambi the mastermind, the victim, Stevie J the puppet master, or just a pawn? What about Scrappy? Is he the innocent person caught in the crossfire, or is he hiding secrets? The internet is on fire, and you have to choose a side. Tell me who you think is being played and what move you would make if you were in their position. I'm reading every single one of your theories right now. The couple appeared picture perfect on the outside, holding hands at premieres, posting, matching outfits, and even calling each other soulmates on camera. But behind the scenes, it was all fire and gasoline. Erica Dixon, Scrappy's ex and his daughter's mother, had already warned him, "She's going to tear you away." Rumors circulated from the moment Lil Scrappy and Bambi went public, saying that she wasn't really in it for love and that he was still tied to his ex. From your family, don't say I didn't tell you. Nevertheless, Scrappy picked Bambi, and his whole family dynamic started to fall apart. His mother, who fans simply call Mama D, was never afraid to voice her opinions. From the beginning, she had called Bambi phony, manipulative, and power-hungry, but Bambi refused to back down. "Your son's a grown man," she once clapped back. "Perhaps if you let him breathe, he'd stop making the same mistakes." Boom, that moment went viral. But when Bambi began allegedly excluding Scrappy from family gatherings, if his mother or Erica were, present family dinners became silent battlegrounds, and holidays became a battlefield. According to an anonymous source, Bambi forced him to choose her. And he did so until everything fell apart because, despite having children, purchasing homes, and putting on a happy front for television, their relationship was failing behind closed doors. "My son hasn't been the same since he married her," Mama D told a close friend in a leaked phone call. "That girl sucked the light out of him, and now she's about to walk away with everything." The final straw divorce papers filed quietly but messily from the start. Bambi wanted full custody, alimony, and control of assets tied to both of them under pressure. Rumors of cheating started to circulate. Money started to disappear. And Lil Scrappy started to descend into a silent depression that no one noticed except his mother. Rumors that Stevie J had something big he'd allegedly been warning people for months. But nobody listened. D, you'll see. He said cryptically in an old Instagram live she played y'all, L. And when that tape drops, it's a wrap. Now that divorce court is becoming more and more ugly. Insiders say she even tried to prevent Scrappy's mother from seeing the grandchildren. That's when Mama D snapped, saying she thinks she can erase me. Nah, not today. As soon as Stevie J's voice memo leaked, the courtroom's energy changed. And when Bambi smirked in court, allegedly whispering something about Scrappy's weak family, Mama D got up, pulled her wig back, and slapped the soul out of Bambi's cheek. There was no hesitation, no fear, and no regrets. "You don't disrespect blood," she yelled because security was holding her back. The courtroom was in complete chaos. Courtroom was already in disarray following Mad's slap, which was heard all over the world, but that was only the first bullet in a series of events that would turn everything upside down. Lawyers were yelling, phones were buzzing, and the leaked tape hadn't even dropped yet. But what's on it is the part that's about to turn everything upside down, because this isn't just a marriage ending. It's a calculated takedown, a betrayal. Years in the making. Receipts are now being pulled, and once the first tape is posted online, no one is leaving clean. We mean the tape that Stevie J had been teasing for months, the one that Bambi thought would never come to light, the one that exposed everything audio only. But the voices were crystal clear because just minutes after the slap, as the judge was trying to regain control and baifs were dragging Mad out the back door, someone uploaded the tape. "Stevie J, yo, you're still playing with Scrappy, right?" Bambi laughs, and the unidentified later. "He's a check. That's all. After this court case is over, I'm leaving. Stevie J, you're really going to leave after all that time?" Bambi laughs harder. I just needed the paperwork, and I got what I came for. The internet crashed, leaving fans shocked, heartbroken, and all at once. She used him, and she lied about love and hip-hop the entire time. It's just when it seemed like Scrappy's embarrassment couldn't get any worse. Millions of fans now have the proof because someone, possibly from Bambi's own circle, began leaking screenshots of text messages, direct messages, and voice notes. This wasn't rumors. These were straight. Stevie J. The kid Bambi, be mine. N.od. He can see him when I feel likit. It Stevie J that cold. LBMB's be mocking tone should have picked Erica. He knew what it was when I walk in. I boom. Ohm. There, IWAS. As Bambi didn't just plan tleave.ve, she was. Mocking him the NTIR time.me up receipts, Bambi texted a close girlfriend. I got his house, I got the cars in my name, and I got him looking stupid. I told you these Atlanta Minori soft when they are in love. DM to a producer. Don't let Mama D shoot this episode. I don't want her near me or my kids. She's toxic. I'm going to make him beg before he signs anything that's allegedly from Bambi's phone. He thinks this divorce will be peaceful. Bambi said manipulator, and fans weren't letting her off the hook. However, things got worse when Lil Scrappy stopped posting and tweeting after the courtroom incident and the tape leak. He finally posted a single black screen S in 2 hours and hundreds of thousands of comments. We got you, Scrappy. You didn't deserve that. Mama D was right all along. Drop the rest of the tea. Now, insiders are saying Lil Scrappy is preparing to file for full custody based on the leaked recordings that claim emotional manipulation intended to distance him from his children and exploitation of their marriage for financial gain. Bambi went from being outspoken to silent, and her team issued a simple statement stating, "These recordings are taken out of context and were never meant for public release. We are currently investigating the legality of an anonymous source." From the production team revealed that Stevie J and Bambi were allegedly having behind-the-scenes conversations during a difficult time in her marriage. One insider revealed that Stevie was constantly lurking, swooped in when he saw that Bambi was tired of Scrappy, and fixed what you said on that audio. However, this is the twist that no one noticed coming. Kept receipts just in case. It sounds like Ian's now he's making money. Now we have Mama D slapping Bambi in court, Bambi being caught on tape making fun of Scrappy, Stevie J caught in the middle of his own secret agenda, and Scrappy preparing for a vicious legal battle while leaking messages every hour. This isn't just reality TV drama anymore. It's a war zone. The most absurd part is that one of the producers from Love and Hip Hop just told an entertainment blogger, "This isn't even the worst of it. There's another tape, and if that one drops, Bambi might lose everything." What else might be on it? Fans are frantically looking for clues, diming insiders, and analyzing every word from Stevie's past lives in an attempt to predict the next bombshell. Because, let's face it, if this is only the beginning, the real storm hasn't even arrived yet. Just when everyone thought the courtroom slap and the leaked audio were the climax. Stevie, the internet went into cardiac arrest when Jay went live again, shirtless, smirking, and drinking brown liquor. He said, "Y'all haven't heard the hotel footage yet." Hotel footage. People froze. He repeated it slowly and deliberately. "Yeah, the hotel footage camerasa, Dan, single quotes, lie.ie, ask Bambi." Within 30 minutes, a 15-second clip appeared anonymously on a gossip page with over 2 million followers. It showed a woman dressed exactly like Bambi, with the same purse and hairstyle. "I'm Stevie J. The caption, read this issues, not your brother, sis. LH drama receipts on receipts. Stevie J, yo, you're still playing with Scrappy as the unnamed." Woman later confirmed, and Bambi laughs. "Please, he's a check." After all that time, Bambi laughs even harder. "Leave, baby. I've been gone. I just needed paperwork. Work, I got what I came for. The internet crashed Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Threads on it, fans were shocked, heartbroken, and all at once because she used him. This was all planned like Scrappy's embarrassment couldn't get any worse. A second part of the tape leaked, revealing that the kids have a period and that Stevie J can see him whenever I feel like it. That's a cold, mocking tone from Bambi. And he should have picked Erica when I walked in. Millions of fans now have proof that she was making fun of him the entire time. However, things get even messier because someone, possibly from Bambi's own circle, began leaking screenshots of voice notes and text messages. These weren't rumors, they were actual receipts. Bambi texted a close friend, "I got his house, I got the cars in my name, and I got him looking stupid. I told you that. These Atlanta men are soft when they're in love." To a producer, "Don't let Mama D shoot this episode. I, Don, want her to marry my DS. She's the whole plot changed overnight." Turning Bambi from a distraught wife to a cunning manipulator, and fans weren't letting her off the hook. However, it got worse when Lil Scrappy stopped posting and tweeting. After the courtroom incident and the tape leak, saying nothing at all for 24 hours until he posted a single black screen with 3, that post went viral, garnering 4 million likes in just 2 hours, hundreds of thousands of comments, and hundreds of thousands of comments. Mama D was right all along, and you didn't deserve that, Scrappy. Now, insiders are saying that Lil Scrappy has hired a lawyer for not just the divorce but a full-fledged custody battle. According to sources close to the courtroom, he intends to file for full custody based on the leaked recordings that claim he is using emotional manipulation to distance himself from his kids and exploiting their marriage for financial gain. Bambi went silent and her team issued a simple statement that read, "These recordings are taken out of context and were never meant for public release. We are currently investigating the legality of this leak." Remember, Stevie J didn't just leak the tape to protect Scrappy. He had reasons, and they go far beyond loyalty. Since Stevie J I were alleging be sensations during a difficult time in her marriage, according to an anonymous source. From the production team, Stevie was always lurking. He saw that Bambi was tired of Scrappy and swooped in. They didn't cross the line, but he knew things and kept receipts, just in case. Now that he's cashing in, we have Mama D slapping Bambi. In court, Bambi exposed on audio making fun of Scrappy and Stevie J caught in the middle. The most bizarre part is that one of the producers from Love and Hip Hop recently told an entertainment blogger, "This isn't even there's an tape, and if that drops, ops Bambi's not just los and fought lose everything.pe. What else side beyond?" It's S's own hidden agenda, is preparing for a vicious legal battle, and leaked messages are still coming out every hour. It's no longer just reality TV drama, it's a war zone. Just when everyone thought courtroom slap and the leaked A were the climax, Stevie Gent live again, shirtless, wrecking, sipping brown liquor, and saying 8 words that sent the internet into cardiac arrest. Y'all haven't heard the hotel footage yet? He was frantically looking for clues, deeming insiders, and analyzing every word from Stevie's past lives in an attempt to get ahead of the next bombshell. After 30 minutes, a 15-second clip was anonymously posted on a gossip page with over 2 million followers, showing a woman with Bambi's exact build, hairstyle, and purse, leaving a hotel room at 3:13 a.m. People froze. And he repeated it slowly and deliberately. "Yes, the hotel footage camera doesn't lie," asked Bambi. "This is not your brother, sis." Late-stage drama receipts on receipts was the caption that Stevie J posted after she left without a shirt. According to sources, Bambi has left Atlanta and is off the grid until the storm passes, but if clip 3 turns up, she might never recover from what's coming next. This story isn't over. It's just the beginning of something even darker, deeper, and more dangerous. All right, family, Scrappy's team is silent right now, but insiders say he's lawyering up. And a restraining order against Stevie J is already in motion because Stevie hinted there's one last tape and he's waiting for the right time to release it. If you're shocked by these revelations, make sure to hit the like button. This isn't just another reality show drama. This is a full-fledged war, and you don't want to miss a second of it. Did Bambi and Stevie J really mastermind this whole drama together, or is Scrappy the real victim in this twisted game of betrayal? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Icon, you're first in line for the latest updates, which include that enigmatic clip 3 that has the entire internet on edge. Tell me, if you exact revenge on someone who has betrayed you in this way, would you leak every tape, or keep quiet? Keep in mind that over, there are still more and we'll be revealing the information becomes available. Stay tuned, stay prepared, and trust me, you don't want to miss anything. You want to be the first to know when the next bombshell comes, so please leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.